The Witch Sisters.
Box.
The Witch Sisters live in this castle. Let's see what they have planned for today. Hello, little Witch Sister. What are you going to do today? Looks like little Witch Sister is really into her music at the moment. Let's check in on Big Witch Sister. Well, hello, Big Witch Sister.
Hi there. Check out my cake.
It looks delicious.
Sure does. I made it for my friend Vicky Vampire's birthday party. Birthday party? I can't wait to go. I'm so sorry, little Witch Sister, but the party is for my friend. It's for big kids. Aw, I wish I could bring you, but as soon as I find a box for this cake, I must be off to the party. I just have to turn myself into a box, and I'll be going to that party. Handful of witch dust, pinch of love, pull up donut. Magic brew, do what you do. Make my spell turn out well. I'll spell 3 times and make no mistake, and then I'll turn into a box for that cake.
Box is spelled B-O-X.
Box, F-O-X.
You better try something different.
I got this. Box, F-O-X.
Oh, boy.
Box, F-O-X. Oh, my.
B-O-X spells box. F-O-X spells fox.
Now I get it.
It's the next day. Let's check in with the Witch Sisters.
My cake was the hit of Vicky Vampire's party. I can't wait to surprise little Witch Sister with the slice I brought home for her. Well, I have another surprise. I already ate that slice of cake. Thank you. You're my little sister again. Yay!